Hey everyone, today we're looking at some of the best AI tools for stock and crypto trading. What they do, how to use them, and what beginners should know before jumping in. Let's get started. AI trading tools use computer algorithms to analyze price charts, news, and market trends faster than any human can. They help you spot possible buy or sell opportunities, track market sentiment, get alerts when something important happens, build simple automated strategies. They don't guarantee profits, but they can make your research way easier and help you make more informed decisions. Tool number 1, TradingView plus AI indicators. First up is TradingView, one of the most popular charting platforms. It's free to start and has tons of AI-powered indicators made by the community. What it does: uses AI scripts and signals to highlight trends, helps you quickly see if a stock or crypto is gaining or losing momentum. Great for visual learners. How to use it: go to TradingView.com, search for any stock or crypto, open the chart and click Indicators. Search AI or Machine Learning. Add an AI signal indicator. Now you'll see automatic suggestions like trend strength, buy, sell zones, or price pattern predictions. Tool number 2, Google Finance plus Gemini. Next is Google Finance paired with Google's Gemini AI, which is completely free. What it does: Gemini can break down market news, earnings reports, and price moves into simple explanations. How to use it: search a stock on Google, example, APL stock, scroll through the chart, news, and financials, open Gemini and ask, explain today's price movement for APL in simple terms. Summarize the latest news that affects Bitcoin. What are the main risks for Tesla right now? Gemini gives short, beginner-friendly breakdowns you can use before making decisions. Tool number 3, CoinMarketCap AI, CoinGecko AI, crypto. If you're into crypto, CoinMarketCap AI or CoinGecko AI are great free tools. What they do: track real-time crypto prices, summarize market sentiment, give AI-powered insights on trending coins. How to use it: visit CoinMarketCap.com or CoinGecko.com, click on any coin, open the AI Summary or AI Insights tab. You'll see simple overviews like why the coin is moving, key risks, and project details without reading long white papers. Benefits: using AI tools helps beginners save hours of research, understand markets faster, avoid emotional decisions, spot trends early, learn while they invest. Risks: but AI isn't magic. It can get predictions wrong, it doesn't know the future, signals can lag behind the market, and if you rely only on AI, you can still lose money. Always use AI as a guide, not a replacement for your own judgment. If you want more beginner-friendly videos on AI, investing, and smart tools, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.